Good evening, everyone. Good evening to us. Many of us watching this broadcast. Well, it is night time and it's time for bed here in Nigeria, West Africa. Nighttime is always a time for reflection, reflecting on the day's activities, and also a time to commune with your creator. Nighttime is always a time that you need to reflect on your life. I challenge everyone listening and watching this broadcast tonight. Use this night time to reflect on your life. How can you impact humanity? How do you want to impact humanity? In the quest, in our quest of eradicating poverty globally, what has been your contribution so far? How many people have you shared the gifts to? How many people have you brought into the community to enjoy the abundance and to give them a means of livelihood? This night time is also time to commune with the Creator. I urge every one of us, let's commune with our Creator. He has a way of guiding our life. He has a way of guiding our footsteps. He has a way of guiding and directing us. So tonight, call on God in any areas that you are facing challenge, and also for smooth ride and for smooth completion of that which we have all started. Let's call on Him. He has, He hears, and surely He will hearken unto us. So, as you go to bed tonight, commune with your Creator. He is set to answer you. And guess what? He has assured us He will bring us in this community to a safe haven, and we will all enjoy that which He has provided for humanity to enjoy. So, I wish you all a wonderful night rest. I wish you all a peaceful night's rest. See you tomorrow. Love you all. God bless you. Cheers.